this is Bria again. Just saying, he's still snoring. And these videos, I'm about to post them. And then once I post them, this is at 4 o'clock in the morning. And if I do post it, I want you to see how she sounds and stuff. If he does, please come here back. And I'm gonna videotape him with it today. Stuff, but you won't see him. But his name is Bryson. Yep. I'm here watching TV. I'm still tight. I can't go sleep. I tell him to shake him. He always goes, and it gets so annoying. See, that's why when he wakes up, I might tell him like 10 after we're done eating breakfast, and then it's gonna be hilarious. I'm gonna post the first one. Then once I post the first one, he's gonna be like, what the? And then it's gonna be like crazy. And then if I get a million hits, then yep, you can hear him snoring, but you can't hear me probably. But I'm gonna post it on YouTube. Then once I post it on YouTube, I'm gonna get a million hits, and then that'd be awesome. The party is gonna stay. Oh, and today is my birthday. I'm 11 years old. I'm getting $40, cake, and a lot of stuff. And was throwing a birthday party and stuff, so I'm gonna have fun. I might not have a lot of energy in me, but I can still make it happen. Okay, it's time for you can hear him snore, and once if he stops snoring, you can watch TV for a little bit. Okay? Okay. Oh, just saying. Every time when Bryson sleep, he always put his hands inside his pants where his private is. That's nasty.